Third normal form, we just need to do a bit of tidying up, and I think just looking at this, what we need to do, I think most of it's okay now, and we'll put the relationships in. The thing we might need to think about is what we add into, if we've got any fields that we want, or we want to change the names. Now we're going to be programming, so we need to use meaningful names, but we don't need long names, okay, because we're going to be typing some of these things into code. So with customer, company name, company address, and so on. So I'm just going to take a few bits out and make them a bit more meaningful. I'm going to try and keep them all lowercase, or use camel case where possible. So I'm going to have company there. I just need address. I don't think I need to say company address. It's based in the company table, and we'll put the postcode there. Now the only thing I would like in here, I think, it'd be good to have a contact telephone number. Okay, and that's not a key, so a contact number would be useful, so we can call them back. Okay, so we might change that in a bit later, but let's see what else we do. And then with date, order date. Now the problem with order is a keyword when we're programming. So I'm going to change this and make it customer order. I'll use an underscore for that. Okay, so date, I don't need to say order taken by, because I'm in the order table, so we'll just say taken by. Again, the company has changed now, so the key has changed to company. And I've got order code, so I want to, let's camel case that, so order code is what I'm going to be left with. Ordered item is fine, I'll just put an underscore there. Okay, I'm just trying to keep things as regular as I can. Product code, I'll camel case that. Oh, spelled it right. Product code. Quantity ordered, I can just abbreviate that to quantity. Let's use the full word. Quantity. And order code has been camel case, so I need to put order code there. And then on menu, again, I'll camel case that product code. And I'll just put cost there, cost per item, I don't need to say that, and then description. Okay, so now I'm in Lucidchart. This is why I'm doing it in Lucidchart, so you can actually, this is part of the database design, so we can actually use features on here to join up the relationships. So I'm just going to join, let's undo that. So if I want to join company to company here, then I take company there and join it to company there. And you notice what's happened. It's put in a relationship arrow. So the one is with a straight line there, and then the many, you can see there's 3 lines there. So that's a one-to-many relationship. And then what do I need to relate? So order code to order code here. So the order code goes to the order code here, but again that should be a one-to-many. And then this one, the product code, comes from here to there. But again, I need to sort my typing out. So product code, and here. Okay, so the relationships are there. So here's my many to many. Look, you can see on this one, there's a many coming in on one side, there's a many coming in on the other side. So that's a many to many. But we've dealt with it. The relationships, all the relationships should be one to many. So everything that's got a many should always be putting back to one record. So in noticing all of these, that's what we've got. And that's when we say that the database is actually normalized. This is now third normal form. So all the attributes rely on the key and nothing but the key. So in customer, the primary key is company. So all those details, address, postcode and contact number, just to do with the company. On customer order, we've got the order code, so everything in there is to do with the order code itself. So the company who it's for, the order's for, who it's been taken by, and the date of the order. Now, again, date is a key word, so it won't like that. So let's put in date of order. Use camel case there. Okay, so then we've got product code, order code. So the key here is the two together. So the quantity is to do with the order code and the product code. So that's third normal form. And then the menu, product code, cost and description. So that is also third normal form, because they only realize that that's just to do with the product code. Okay, so we've got a normalized database here. Now, the other thing we haven't considered is how we deal with sending an order to different addresses. So we'll deal with that next.